Hey, my name is Harsh and in this video I'll be covering about gesture detector. So generally when we are using container or some icons or text, so we need to identify if a user has clicked on something or not. So we generally use gesture detector there. So the properties which a gesture detector has is a behavior. So what a behavior does is, if we are using a row and in that we are having some space, so it won't be identifying if a click is being made on that space. So we use behavior to let the app know that we need to identify the click on spaces as well. So we'll be passing hit as behavior dot opaque. So it will be identifying the clicks on the opaque or the spaces. Apart from that, what all things we can pass is on tap, on double tap. So it will be taking or identifying clips when the particular widget is clicked twice. We can pass a key to separately identify this widget or this gesture detector separately from the app. We can also pass on long press, so it will be identifying a click if it is pressed for a longer period of time. We can pass on secondary tap, on tap up, tap down. So these are various different properties which we can pass. So all these properties which I just told you take a function or something which is to be executed or is to be triggered whenever a click is made, depending on the condition which we have specified. Let me show how on tap function works. So I'll be passing a print statement here which will be printing something in the debug console. Need to pass a semicolon here and a comma here. Let me quickly save it and hot reload will take place. So you can see that we have an icon here and I have wrapped it inside the gesture detector. So whenever I'll be clicking on this icon, it will be showing hello inside this debug console. So we can do multiple things like going to different screens or displaying something to user on a click made. So that is it for this video.